my spot here at Lake Arrowhead. Usually whenever I pick up behind people who have left something, I just make the place a little neater than it was when I got here. And I saw this up on the table, and I thought, yeah, I think I'll probably go ahead and make sure I can pick that up. And then I saw that, and I thought, well, you know what, I don't think I'm going to touch anything here.
You gonna go inside? Can hang out inside? I think you are. Or you would have, if I didn't scare you. I don't know if you want to go in there or not.
I had the pleasure of joining my Uncle Gary and Aunt Sally at a party with a group of individuals who refer to themselves as the Snakes of Southwest Texas State University, members of a fraternity that attended from 1966 to 1976. I have to say that I had an exceptional time with them.
Take me in your arms, for it's there that I belong, and will never part. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams all of those tourists covered all.
I also enjoy my downtime, obviously, and one of the things that I really enjoy seeing is that when national and state parks are doing construction to improve so that they're prepared for the influx of visitors during the regular season. I just wish people would pick up after themselves. I don't understand why that's such a problem.
Fall in line someday. It's hard to win, hard to pin one day. I look out for you to soothe away the blues in your eyes. Take a stand, move your hand someday. In your eyes, no disguise one day. I look out for you to soothe away the blues in your eyes.
behavior I've ever seen. He's in the reflection of my rearview mirror, just walking in circles. At first I thought that he wouldn't step out of the shining area, he wouldn't step into the shade, because for the longest time he was just walking in circles in the reflection. But he's proven he'll step out, then keep walking in circles. Oh, looks like he might have escaped. Oh, strange.
I also had the pleasure of joining Lance, my brother, at an arena football game in San Antonio.
Side penalty. Repeat second down.
It was a relatively high-scoring and one-sided game, so after the halftime show we left. Plus, anything after this is actually copyrighted anyway.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All the best, always.
Come down to the underground old school. There's a shovel. Can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it? Can y'all dig it?